Hey, it's John again. I found a nice way of trading. It called leverage. I can trade with low amount and make earnings like I have much more money. Today I will explain how leverage works while you trade Forex or CFDs. So, what is leverage? Imagine you put $100 and take leverage of 10. You are going to trade like you own $1,000, means, everything that happens will happen according to the $1,000. If asset goes up 10%, you make $100. If asset goes down 10%, you lose all your $100. Which means if you open one trade on $100 and the asset goes down by 10%, your position will be closed since you lost it. If you use leverage right, you can print money. Remember, you can lose money fast as well. Take a look at this company, Plus500. CFD's company. Do you see the warning below? Most of the traders risk money and lose it. It says, leverage trading activity involves substantial risk for losing all of the invested money. Why do they say it? Because they have to. This is part of the regulation. Here we can see another trading platform, Etoro. As we see, they say that 62% of retail investors' accounts lose money when trading CFDs. Just like Plus500, they must tell it to the traders. They are a regulated company as well. So, why people lose money? Because they use leverage on the wrong way, and when assets price goes down, they panic. So, when trading with leverage, try to go for low leverage assets like buy 2, 5 or 10. Now I will show you how it looks trading with leverage so you can understand better why people lose money and how to avoid it. Let's open demo trade on Etoro. I will use Bitcoin. Can you see the leverage options? You can do it by 1, which means no leverage at all, or by 2, means you double your investment. The amount of units and money that exposed to the market will change. What I am going to do next is open 2 trades. One with leverage of 2 and one without leverage, and show you the results of how it looks. You will understand why leverage is dangerous if you use it on the wrong way. Let's take a look at the Bitcoin I bought. Can you see the amount I lose? 2 different amounts. Can you see the change on assets price? The one that lost more is the one with leverage. Remember that both trades made on $1,000? Now we look at Plus500 dashboard. I will buy now Visa stock and show you how it looks. See the leverage here? Here the leverage is by 10 and it's built in. You cannot change it. You can try other asset with different leverage. Now I will do the same thing for MasterCard. The leverage is by 10. I will go for 100 shares just to show you how it looks. Remember that I use demo account and the market is closed now. My orders will work only once market opens again. Now we will talk about Forex. Currency pairs. I will buy Euro versus USD. Can you see the leverage here? Buy 100. Minimum investment is 2.5 grand. I will make a buy order for 2,500 and move to another asset. Now I will trade Euro versus British Pound. In this time, I go for sell, which means if asset goes down I make money. If it goes up I lose money. The leverage is by 100 as well, so I will make minimum trade of 2.5 grand. Now you understand how leverage looks like while trading. Use it right or do not use it at all if you just started. Now I want to show you how analytics look like. This chart is for Euro versus dollar. What we see here are candles. Every candle is a day. I can analyze it, learn it and see patterns so I have better understanding of the market. This might help me to do the right move. But not everyone knows how to use it. It takes time to learn how to analyze the market. Take it slow and easy. Start with demo account or with low amount and start exploring how everything works. Trading takes time, that is fine, take it slow. If you think trading is not for you, I have great solution for you. It called social trading. Which brings me back to Etoro. Now we see the stats of Facebook stock. 1 year period. Here we can see some information about the company and some numbers that might help us decide if we want to trade them up or trade them down, just like the other company I showed. We see candles here and some tools. This helps me decide what I want to do with this stock. I want to show you the social trading that might work better for you. We click on the copy people. Now we see huge list of people that relevant to my filter. By return, risk, trades, etc. I can choose the filters I want. One of the filters is to show me only traders with a lot of people that copy them. Here we see the return of each trader. Next to it we can see the risk level. The higher the number, the higher the risk. Below we can see how many people copy these people. Now let's click on Random Trader. We can see down here what he trades the most. Now let's go to the stats and take a look at the profits or the losses of this trader. From what I can see, he has been in the game for a long time. Most of the months are green, which means he makes money. Now let's copy this trader. I can choose the amount I want, choose the risk, choose the units. You should do your math right before copying any trader. It is very important to set those limits and those prices. Remember, this is your money. Take responsibility. Now you understand how to use leverage and how to trade assets you believe will go up. Let's talk about how to trade against the market. It's called short. Trading shorts means sell on the platforms. You think that asset might go down. It works the same way like the regular way, you know. For example, you are trading with $100 on an asset. This asset goes down 10%. You make the difference. Let's think that asset costs $100 and you trade with $100. Asset goes down 10%, means you made $10. This is true only if you did not took leverage. If you took leverage, let's say by 10, you would make $100. The most important rule to stay in the game is not panic. If your asset goes down, wait, it might go up tomorrow. This is relevant if you are not doing shorts. Trading takes time, so take your time and enjoy the journey. Think you are ready to trade? Open demo account now. Links can be found on the description below. Looks like good time to subscribe to my channel and like my content. See you in my next video. In the meantime, check my video about why most of the people lose money while trading.